Hi everyone, it is Elizabeth Larson from Belleville Volkswagen bringing you this 2025 7-passenger Atlas Comfortline. It's very well equipped with heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. It does have split folding third row seats that seat two. You can split 40-60 split for the middle row. Middle row slides forward. You do have a power lift gate and very easy access to the back seat. So all you have to do is pull this forward. So if you have a car seat, it's not going to be in the way, and you just slide that. And then just like that. And then you get in. So easy. And then there's rear controls. And you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. You have a signal if the seat belts are occupied but not done up. And it's just such an amazing vehicle. You have adaptive cruise control, front assist, side assist. Yeah, if you want to know more about this or any of our other amazing vehicles, come see Elizabeth at Belleville Volkswagen, 613-966-3333, or stop by and see us at 239 North Front Street. Look forward to meeting you.